Hello friends, welcome to Tech Media. Today we are going to start tutorials on Microsoft Word 2021. Here is the software of Microsoft Word 2021. We are into Microsoft Word 2021. Here is our Home tab. Our Home tab consists of these designs. Now we have a blank document whereby we write all our writings on it. We also have another design known as the modern nursing cover letter. We also have this welcome to Word. We also have the single spaced. We also have this bold modern resume. Under our home tab, we have another tab known as the new tab. If you click the new tab, it will take you to these different designs. If you have a look at this design, it is the document, the blank document that we had earlier looked at the home tab. We also have these other different designs. You have this design here, also this design. All of these are different designs. You can see that we have a snapshot calendar. We also have all these restaurants. All of these. We also have flyers down there and invitation letters, how to design the invitation letters and what have you. Under the new tab, we have also the open tab. In this tab, it will take you to this platform. Here we have the document, and here we have the folders, where your folders are, and here is where your documents are also. If you take a look at this, these are my personal documents. You have something known as the pin. Now it's already pinned. This first document of mine is pinned. Now if I want to unpin, I will click the pin to unpin, like that. Now it can be placed anywhere. If I have a look at this document, now it will be the first one. But if I pin this document, it will be always there in the front page, the front line. It will never go behind these other documents, even if I have looked at it later. So here are our interface now in the open. Now we go back to our home tab. We want to create new documents, so we click on the blank document. Now it will take you to the software, the Microsoft, inside the Microsoft software, Microsoft Word 2021. Here it's how it looks. We have different tabs here. You have the file, we have home, insert, design, layout, references, mailing, review, and view, and also help. Now we have different commands here and there. We will have a look at each command and how it behaves. For example, here all of these now designs are known as the font. Here all these designs are used in paragraph. All these designs are used in the styles. Now we want to write some writings in our blank document. Here is our page. Now our blank page, we need to write some writings into it so that we can execute all these different commands and see how each and every different command behaves. So we want to write some writings here. I will say welcome to Tech Media. You see, these are some writings containing 4 words. If I want to execute any command from the computer to these words, I will first of all highlight it. I will take my cursor in front of the W of the welcome. Now I will right click my mouse, my external mouse, or the mouse of the laptop or the desktop. So I will right click it to highlight my words or my sentence like that. Now if I click here, what does it say? It says bold. Now if I click on the bold, my writings will be in bold and darkened. Okay, now I clicked bold. You see, now my writings changed from a faint writing to bold writing. You see, now I click there, I click the bold. You see, now it changed. You see, so here is also italic. If you click here, your words will be in italic. For example, let us click on the italic. You see how our words changed from normal to italic. You see, great. So now here is how the italic works. I click again to undo the italics. You see it came to normal. The writings are now normal. Let me click to italic now. The words changed. Here is now what is known as underlined. If you click this arrow down, we have different lines. The underlines are now categorized in different. We have a single line, a faint single line. We have a double line. You see, double underline. Now your writings will be double underlined. You see. Now this we have a single thick underline. We have a dotted. We also have a dash. Here we also have this another line. All these are lines. So let us apply this line, this thick underline. Let us apply. You see, these are our words now. Welcome to Tech Media. You see how it came? The first one was bold. We bolded our writings. We italicized and we underlined. Now, if we apply this now, it's called strike through. Now our words will be striked. Striking means there will be a line that will pass through the center of our words. Like welcome to Tech Media. The center of our words, there will be a line striking through the center of the sentence or the word, whichever it is. Now let us apply it. We click. You see how our words change? You see, there's a strike through the center of our sentence. There it is. Now we undo the bold, we undo the italic, we undo the underline, and we also undo the strike through. Now here is our original word. Okay, let us continue. Now here we have a subscript. Now let us go back to our chemistry. In chemistry, water, the chemical name of water is H2O. H, for example, this is now the chemical name for water. The chemical name for water is H2O, meaning two hydrogens and an oxygen. Two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. Now H2O, the two is not correct. Yes, we need to do something to correct the two. The two must be smaller than how it is now. Now we highlight the two. You see, now we go to this subscript. Now we apply the subscript. You see how our two behaved? Our initial two was way too big than this two. Now this two is now the two we wanted. H2O, this is now the chemical symbol for water. For water. Yes, this is the chemical symbol for water. Yes. Now we go to subscript. We go to superscript. I mean, we already seen how the subscript works. We are now in the superscript. Now the superscript, let us now go to another example. For example, in math, we said x times x is x squared. X times x is x squared. Now, if you want to write x squared, this is how you write x and 2. Now, this 2 is way big than the 2 we want. Now, we highlight this 2. We go to this superscript tab. We click it. Now, it becomes x squared. This is now the x squared we wanted. The initial initial writings were x2. Now this is x square. Now this is the square we wanted. And if you want to write another example, 2 square, let me remove the superscript. So if I want to write 2 square, now this is 22. How will it change from 22 to 2 square? I highlight the last 2 and now apply the superscript. There now is 2 square. Is 2 square. This is how the superscript and the subscript works. Okay, let us take to this tab here. Here now is the theme, the fonts. I mean the theme fonts, the different theme fonts. We have way different fonts here. If I now want to highlight my writings, welcome to Tech Media, and I go to these theme fonts. Now it is in Calibri. If I want to change from Calibri to maybe Agency FB, or our normal font is Times New Roman. Now we click to Times New Roman. You see how our writings changed from Calibri font to Times New Roman. Here it's how it became. So here we also have this is now the font, the theme fonts, the different theme fonts. If we can apply this Arial narrow, can apply this Agency, this Algerian. You see, let us apply this Agency FB. Yes, good. Now we want to change the font size. We have different font size. Let us highlight our writing. Welcome to Tech Media. Yes, I have highlighted it. Now if I click here down this arrow, now our original font size was at 11. You see, at 11. If we go down the line, as the numbers are increasing down the line, you see how our writings change, enlarges. You see 22, yeah, at 24, 26, 28, 36, 48. Yes, now let us go to 48. The next field is still on the font. We have here the text effect and the typography, where if you click down this arrow, you get different colors. We have different colors. You can apply different colors. Is a black, blue, orange. You see yellow. You have yellow here. Now you can apply different colors on your text. Here is now the different colors. So for us, let us apply this one. No, okay, we will have a look at it. Now let us go down this line. Here we have this outline. We have in this outline we have these theme colors. Now if you want to apply these theme colors, for example, here we have the gray. It starts from the light gray down the dark gray. You see, so the down, as you go down the colors, as it becomes dark. You see here we have the blue, you have light blue here. If you go down the line, it becomes the dark blue. You see here you have the yellow, Now here is now the outline. If you go down the shadow, now in this shadow your text will appear in a shadow form. You see, your text now will have shadow. Reflection, your text now will be reflected. You see, if you see, let us apply this one. You see now, welcome to Tech Media has been reflected. You can see the writings as if there's a mirror here. Okay, now all of these are now different. Okay, we go to this reflection. Okay, let us highlight our text and remove the shadow or reflection. It was a reflection. Now our text now has no reflection. So here we have a highlighter. Now this is called the highlighter. It highlights your text. For example, if you are reading book or a novel, something like that, you want to highlight your text so that you can see it easier. So here, this highlighter, we use it to highlight our text. If you click down this arrow, we have red. We have all these different colors. For example, if I choose the yellow, now I have highlighted our text. Welcome to Tech Media. I have highlighted it. So if I want to remove, down here we also have the font color. Here we have the font color. If you click down this arrow, before we go to the theme, the font color, highlight our text. Welcome to Tech Media. Now if we click down this arrow, yeah, now we have these different theme colors. You see, now we have a white background here, different colors. Now if you click here, this now will increase our font size. Here it will increase our font size. Here now it will decrease our font size. We click, now it becomes 48. We click again, 36. Click again, 28. We click to increase, 36. The font size is at 36, 48, 72. Let us decrease to 48. Now that tab is how it works. Here now we have it says change case. If you click down this arrow, we have different sentences here. We have a sentence case, the lowercase. You change to lowercase now, small letters. All our text will be in small letters. All our text will be in capital letters. We capitalize each word. Each word will be capitalized. And here, the starting letter will be in small. The rest will be. For example, here, let us click here. Now you see, welcome to Tech Media. How it is? Yes. So if we click as a uppercase, it will all be capital letters. If we click on lowercase, it will be in small letters. That is how it works. And here now you clear all the formatting, the format, the boldness, the everything we have. It will all change now. Even this agency, this font, the theme font now will change to its original. The Calibri, also the font size will change to its original, the 11, the size of 11. Now let us click. You see now changed. Everything now changed. We cleared all the formatting that we have used in this text. Now you see the Calibri body. Now the fonts changed, the font size changed, everything, the color, everything now changed. This is how this works. This is the end of our first lesson to Introduction Word, Microsoft Word 2021. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the next video. Thank you.